Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. A soft wet frog. Listen and repeat. Frogs are outside his house. They are quiet in the daytime. They are noisy at night. It is nighttime. The frogs are singing. He grabs a flashlight. He goes outside. He shines the light on a frog. It hops. He picks it up. It is soft and wet. It kicks its legs. He puts it down. Listen and answer. Are frogs outside his house?
Yes, frogs are outside his house.
What is outside his house?
Frogs are outside his house.
Where are frogs?
Frogs are outside his house.
Are they quiet in the daytime?
Yes, they are quiet in the daytime.
What is quiet in the daytime?
The frogs are quiet in the daytime.
When are they quiet?
They are quiet in the daytime.
Are they noisy at night?
Yes, they are noisy at night.
What is noisy at night?
The frogs are noisy at night.
When are they noisy?
They are noisy at night.
Is it nighttime?
Yes, it is nighttime.
When is it?
It is nighttime.
Are the frogs singing?
Yes, the frogs are singing.
What is singing?
The frogs are singing.
What are the frogs doing?
The frogs are singing.
Does he grab a flashlight?
Yes, he grabs a flashlight.
Who grabs a flashlight?
Bill grabs a flashlight.
What does he grab?
He grabs a flashlight.
Does he go outside?
Yes, he goes outside.
Who goes outside?
Bill goes outside.
Where does he go?
He goes outside.
Does he shine the light on a frog?
Yes, he shines the light on a frog.
Who shines the light on a frog?
Bill shines the light on a frog.
What does he shine the light on?
He shines the light on a frog.
Does it hop?
Yes, it hops.
What hops?
The frog hops.
What does it do?
It hops.
Does he pick it up?
Yes, he picks it up.
Who picks it up?
Bill picks it up.
What does he pick up?
He picks the frog up.
Is it soft and wet?
Yes, it is soft and wet.
What is soft and wet?
The frog is soft and wet.
Does it kick its legs?
Yes, it kicks its legs.
What kicks its legs?
The frog kicks its legs.
What does it kick?
It kicks its legs.
Does he put it down?
Yes, he puts it down.
Who puts it down?
Bill puts it down.
What does he put down?
He puts the frog down.
Point of view. Yesterday. Listen and repeat. Frogs were outside his house. They were quiet in the daytime. They were noisy at night. It was nighttime. The frogs were singing. He grabbed a flashlight. He went outside. He shined the light on a frog. It hopped. He picked it up. It was soft and wet. It kicked its legs. He put it down. Point of view. Tomorrow. Listen and repeat. Frogs will be outside his house. They will be quiet in the daytime. They will be noisy at night. It will be nighttime. The frogs will be singing. He will grab a flashlight. He will go outside. He will shine the light on a frog. It will hop. He will pick it up. It will be soft and wet. It will kick its legs. He will put it down. Vocabulary. Outside. Quiet. Noisy. Daytime. Nighttime. Flashlight. Shine. Hop. Soft. Wet. Kick. Question of the day. Do you like frogs? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.